Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another recipe here in my kitchen. For this recipe, I didn't want to make my banana nut bread overly sweet, so I'm using less than 1 cup of brown sugar. If you're interested in seeing how I make it and how much sugar I use, keep watching. So we're going to start with 2 cups of flour, and we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and we're going to give this a mix. Next, we're going to take 3/4 cups brown sugar and 1/2 cup of softened butter and mix it together. Ideally, you would use a hand blender and cream the butter and sugar to get a fluffy consistency, but this works too. Now we're going to use 4 overripe bananas and just start mashing them with a fork. From here, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, and give this a quick mix. Then we'll add our butter and sugar. From here, we're going to pour our wet mixture into the flour and mix this all up. Then we're going to add 3/4 cup walnuts, and of course this is optional if you want to switch it out for a different type of nut or if you want to omit this altogether. From here, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Last, we're going to take a bit of the butter and grease the pan. Then we're going to add the batter. And I'm gonna sprinkle on a little more walnuts and then pat it down. Then you're going to bake for an hour and 15 minutes. You want to let this sit when you're done so it can easily slide out of the baking pan. Then slice and serve. Alright guys, so that's a wrap on our banana bread recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the video today. And of course, head on over to my channel to catch more content. And please share it with friends and family. Until next time, bye.